Hey guys, welcome back. Nicole Andrews here. Welcome to Eternity Warrior Fit, and you have now completed your Sexy Abs Challenge because it is now day 30 and I can't wait to see your results. So congratulations on making it to day 30, warriors. We have lower abs for our last day. Why? Because they are like the hardest part to target. And we just need more exercises for our lower abs because it tends to be the part that just we let go of the most, and a lot of the exercises we do don't target that part. So we are going to get started. We're going to do 40 seconds of work with 10 seconds rest and a bonus move at the end. So the first one, we're going to remember that hollow hold. It's going to be a basic Pilates pulse. So think about putting your shoulders back and down, and now just leaning back with a flat back. Suck your belly in, belly button to spine, and lean back just slightly as you raise your legs up to 45 degrees. Okay, so right here you can pulse it, or if you wanted to take it down for level 1, you can just raise your shoulders and neck off the floor as well. So that feels better for my lower back. I have a bit of a herniation, well, a couple maybe. So we're gonna start, and whatever feels good for you, remember you have to listen to your body. So start pulsing, and remember that hollow hold. Keep your feet out 45 degrees, and exhale every time you're pulsing down. Just remember to blow that air out. We have 20 seconds. Engage those lower abs, guys. You're doing so good. Keep that chin away from your chest, shoulder blades off the ground. Keep breathing, less than 10 seconds. You got it. Good job, good job. And release. So the next one we're gonna do is sit upright, and it's going to be a leg lift and a side crunch. So it looks like this. Your hands are behind your head. Lift up your leg, left leg, and then you bring your elbow outside the knee and back down. Right leg up, and then left elbow outside the right knee. So we keep alternating, and make sure you're sitting on your sits bones. So if that means having to pull some flesh away from the butt, that's okay. So remember, leg lift, knee outside of the elbow, leg lift, opposite elbow, outside the opposite knee. Keep it going, keep engaging your lower abs. So readjust as much as you need to. Good job. So the next one that we have is lying down, straight arm to straight leg, opposite. So arms up over your head by your ears, and now reach for the outside edge of your foot as your leg comes up straight. So reach as high as you can and really engage your body and your obliques. So that leg is coming all the way up outside of the foot. You're reaching towards the outside edge of the opposite foot. We have less than 10 seconds, guys. Really squeeze it up. These are 6-minute abs. You got this. Good time. So these are slow bicycles. So your legs can come 45 degrees out straight, and then they're slow bicycles from a boat position, which makes you really engage your lower abdominals. So think about your opposite elbow coming outside the opposite knee, and we're twisting as much as we're keeping those legs off the floor. Keep them off the floor. Engage those lower abs. You guys have less than 10 seconds here. Breathe in, breathe out, but keep twisting. Good job. And next, we have fast mountain climbers, which is so important for our lower core. Suck it up and in, find your plank position, and now you're going to bring one knee in and the next. But they're fast, So pick it up. If you can't go at this pace, that's fine. You go at a lower pace. Maybe you're here. And you suck up and in, belly button to spine. Push yourself. Push yourself. Because without pushing ourselves, we will not see change. We do not see change in the comfort zone, no matter what area of our life. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, speaking of downward dogs, I just did that one. We're going to go into downward dog, and we're gonna alternate knee to nose. So right leg comes up, bring the knee to the nose, curl in those lower abs, bring the leg straight back. Left leg up, knee to the nose, straight back. Right leg up, curl it in, knee to the nose, straight back. Left leg up, straight back. Up, crunch it in, straight back to plank. Up, crunch it in, straight back to down dog. Woo, crunch it in. We have a lot of room there to get through with that leg. So really use your core to get that going. Awesome job. Okay, so for our bonus pose, we are going to push our arms by our side into the ground and do reverse crunches. So it looks similar to this, but we're engaging our core. It looks similar. It looks like this, but you go up and down, not letting your lower back touch the ground. So keep that lower back off the ground, engaging your core. As I lose my mic. Keep going, guys. Less than 10 seconds. Lift it up and down, but don't let that lower back drop. Good job. And slowly roll it down. Let the momentum bring you up. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale out. So proud of you, warriors. You made it through 30 days of sexy abs. I tell you what, if this didn't work for you, you might have to shed some fat over those. Oh, maybe you have some sexy abs underneath, but we have a great program. It's called the Eternity Warrior 6-week transformation program. We are going to be running this program continuously, and we're so excited to be able to offer this to you guys. So look for it, check it out, and thanks for joining me. Love you guys. Namaste.